Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Unlock Your English and Speak.
Hi, friends. I am Charlotte.
And I am Leo. Charlotte, I met a new person at the library yesterday.
Oh, really? A new friend?
I hope so. But, that first conversation is always a little scary.
It is. You don't know what to say.
Exactly. You want to ask their name, where they are from, what they like, but how?
It's like you need a map for the conversation.
A map. That is the perfect word. And that is our topic today. First conversation, meeting a new friend.
We will give you the map for this conversation. We will teach you the simple, essential A1 phrases for asking for names, asking about countries, asking about hobbies.
This is how you make a connection. It is easy if you know the steps.
You can do this. Let's learn the map.
Okay, the best way to learn a conversation is to hear a conversation.
Let's do a role play, a simulation.
Okay, I will be Leo, a student.
And I will be Maria, a new student. We are meeting for the first time.
We will speak slowly and clearly. Just listen. Hi, my name is Leo.
Hello, Leo. My name is Maria.
Nice to meet you, Maria.
Nice to meet you too.
So, where are you from, Maria?
I'm from Mexico. And you? Where are you from?
I'm from here, in this city.
Oh, cool.
What do you like to do? What is your hobby?
My hobby? I like reading books. And I love listening to music. What about you?
I like playing video games.
Oh, nice. Well, it was nice talking to you, Leo.
You too. See you later.
And scene.
That was it. That is the basic map. It was easy.
Now, let's break it down. Let's look at the map step by step.
Part 2. The breakdown. Names and greetings. Okay, step 1. Names. This is easy.
You say hi or hello.
Then, my name is or I'm.
My name is Charlotte. I'm Charlotte. Both are perfect.
After the person tells you their name, you must say the magic social phrase.
The phrase is, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. This is a polite, friendly, and essential phrase.
You use it only when you meet someone for the first time.
Example 1. I'm Pom.
Hi, Tom. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Example 2. This is my mother.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Let's repeat. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. This is the answer.
Part 3. The breakdown. Country of origin. Okay, step 2. You know their name. Now, where are they from?
The question is very important. The question is, where are you from?
Where are you from? This question asks for the person's country or city.
Example 1. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
Example 2. Where are you from?
I'm from Tokyo.
Let's repeat the question. Where are you from?
Now the answer. The answer is also very simple.
The phrase is, I'm from.
I'm from. I am from.
In my role play, I said, I'm from Mexico.
You can say, I'm from Italy.
I'm from India.
Let's repeat the answer. I'm from, pause, Mexico.
I'm from, pause, Canada.
Part 4. The breakdown. Hobbies and the ING rule. Okay, step 3. The fun part. What do they like?
To ask this, you can ask, What is your hobby?
Let's teach that word. Hobby.
Hobby. Hobby. A hobby is an activity you do for fun in your free time.
It is not work. It is not school. It is for fun.
Example 1. Playing guitar is my hobby.
Example 2. My hobby is cooking.
Example 3. What is your hobby?
Let's repeat. Hobby.
Okay, now the most important grammar for this section.
The like plus ing rule.
When we talk about a hobby activity, we use verbs like, love, or enjoy.
After these verbs, the next verb, the hobby, must end in ing.
Let's teach this structure. I like ing.
I like ing.
For example, do not say, I like read. Say, I like reading.
Do not say, I love play soccer. Say, I love playing soccer.
Do not say, she likes cook. Say, she likes cooking.
This ing is very, very important for hobbies.
Let's repeat some correct sentences. I like reading.
I love listening to music.
He likes playing video games.
Part 5. The emergency phrase. What to do when you panic.
Okay, Charlotte, the map is good, but what if I don't understand?
What if the other person speaks too fast or has a strong accent? I panic! I say yes, yes, but I don't understand.
No, don't do that. It is normal to not understand. You just need the emergency phrase.
The golden phrase. What is it?
It is, can you repeat that?
Can you repeat that?
This is a polite, wonderful phrase. It means, say it again, please.
Example 1. My name is Leo and I'm from here.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that, please?
My name is Leo.
Example 2. My hobby is,
Sorry, can you repeat that?
It is always okay to ask. It shows you are listening.
Let's repeat the emergency phrase. Can you repeat that?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
And that is the map. You are ready to meet a new friend.
Let's do a fast recap of the 3 steps.
Step 1. Names. Hi, my name is. Nice to meet you.
Step 2. Origin. Where are you from? And the answer, I'm from.
Step 3. Hobbies. What is your hobby? And the answer, I like, verb ing.
And the emergency phrase if you are nervous, sorry, can you repeat that?
You see, it is just a few simple steps.
And that brings us to our motivational phrase for this episode.
Today's phrase is learning hello, my name is, isn't just learning English, it's learning how to open the door to a new friendship.
I love that. You are opening a new door.
Your homework this week is to be brave.
You don't have to talk to a stranger. Just practice. Go to a mirror.
Look in the mirror and say the conversation. Hi, my name is your name. I am from your country. I like your hobby.
Practice it 5 times. You will feel so much more confident.
You can do it. Thank you for listening to Unlock Your English and Speak.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.